As a citizen of a democratic country, what does this term mean to us? It means living in an environment which is free of radicals, bias, and prejudices. It means living proudly and serving the country with patriotism and duty. It means living with and fulfilling fundamental rights and duties. It means voting and choosing leaders, trusting their impeccability. Actually, the term democracy can be diversified and discussed endlessly. Its literally mean is the power of people which can change the whole world for better. Let us celebrate the power of democracy. A very hearty morning to each and everyone present here, and this is Meenakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly. My dear friends, 15th of September is celebrated as International Day of Democracy every year to promote the principles of democracy, to highlight the importance of democracy for each one of us, and to appreciate our democratic society. Dear Lord, thank you that we have government representatives. Remind them to seek your guidance as they make decisions that affect our country and the world. Let us pray to God. Everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer and pledge, democracy provides a system to deal with differences and disagreements and also allows us to correct our own mistakes. My dear friends, when we change our thoughts, we change our life. It's time for today's thought, and for this I would like to invite Kush from class 8th. A very lovely morning to everyone. My name is Kush. Today's thought is, somewhere inside of all of us is the power to change the world. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Kush. What exactly is meant when people say democracy? In Abraham Lincoln's world, government of the people, by the people, for the people. What is the importance of democracy? I would like to invite Tapsi from class 8 to deliver a speech on the importance of democracy. Thank you very much, Tapsi. After national anthem, my dear friends, let us pray for leadership that embraces us all instead of dividing us, and protect our real democracy from those who profit from division. We citizens can strengthen democracy by using our right to vote to help in the process of electing the government. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you for cooperating. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.